Before buying Pioneer Ts F1634R car speakers, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Kenwood KFC1666S. Let's kick things off with the Kenwood KFC1666S, priced at around $42. This speaker caught my eye for its impressive specs and solid 4.5-star rating from over 2,100 reviews. If you want powerful sound without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This means you can crank up the volume while still enjoying clear audio. The 6.5-inch polypropylene cone woofer delivers robust bass, while the 1-inch balanced dome tweeter ensures crisp highs. With a sensitivity rating of 92 dB, you can enjoy distortion-free sound even at higher volumes. For car audio enthusiasts, this is a solid option that fits most vehicles seamlessly. Now, some people complained about the installation being a bit tricky without professional help. Here's the thing though, if you have basic DIY skills, you can manage it just fine. But if you're not comfortable tinkering with car electronics, you might want to get it professionally installed. This is perfect for you if you're a casual listener looking to upgrade your car audio on a budget. Skip this one if you prefer a more premium brand experience. For the price, it offers great value. Now, if the KFC1666S's installation challenge concerns you, this next option offers a more user-friendly installation. Product number 2, Pioneer Ts F1634R. Next up is the Pioneer Ts F1634R, which comes in at about $35. The sleek black and silver design caught my eye, but it's the sound that really made me pay attention. With a 4.5-star rating and over 500 reviews, this is definitely worth considering. What you'll love about the Ts F1634R is its 3-way coaxial setup. With 230 watts max power and a sensitivity of 87 dB, it delivers loud, clear audio without distortion, even at higher volumes. Plus, it's designed to fit seamlessly in most cars, making it a great upgrade from factory speakers. However, some users mentioned that it requires an external amplifier for the best performance. Here's why that matters. While it could limit who can use it, if you're willing to invest a little more in your audio system, the sound quality is absolutely worth it. This is perfect for you if you love a full sound experience and have an existing audio setup. Skip this one if you're looking for plug-and-play speakers that don't require any extra equipment. For the price, it's a steal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize ease of installation. Product number 3, Kenwood KFC1666S. The Kenwood KFC1666S is back on my list at around $38.50. And with a 4.4-star rating from 1,600 reviews, it's another attractive choice. If you want a speaker that offers great sound reproduction with easy install features, this is worth your attention. The polypropylene woofer is designed for impactful bass, and the 1-inch PEI dome tweeter produces clear, crisp highs. With a frequency response of 42,200 Hz, it captures a wide range of sounds, making it perfect for any music genre. On the downside, some users have noted that the sound might not be as impactful at lower volumes. But here's the thing, this speaker shines when you really crank it up, so if you like to blast your tunes, it might just be perfect for you. This is perfect for you if you enjoy listening to music at higher volumes. Skip this one if you prefer a more subdued listening experience. Considering the price and performance, it's a great pick. Now, if you're looking for something just as powerful but perhaps a bit different in style, let's check out the next option. Product number 4, Boss CH6530. Now let's talk about the Boss CH6530, available for around $38.99 and boasting an impressive 4.3-star rating based on over 17,400 reviews. If you want a speaker that combines affordability with decent sound quality, this is worth checking out. These speakers are designed to handle up to 300 watts, which means they can get pretty loud without distorting. The poly injection cone and rubber surround create a solid bass response, while the 0.50-inch piezo tweeter handles the highs. With a frequency response range of 100 Hz to 18K Hz, it covers a wide spectrum of audio, making it suitable for various music styles. However, some users mention that the build quality could be better, potentially affecting longevity. Here's the deal though, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option, you might not mind swapping them out after a few years. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable upgrade that still sounds decent. Skip this one if you're looking for something that will last a lifetime. For the price, it's an excellent value. Now, if you need something that really focuses on clarity and performance, let's move on to the last product. Product number 5, Pioneer Ts G1620S. Finally, we have the Pioneer Ts G1620S, priced at about $44.29 with a solid 4.5-star rating from nearly 600 reviews. If you want a reliable speaker that offers balanced sound and is easy to install, this is worth a look. The Ts G1620S features a two-way design which helps in reproducing different frequency ranges accurately. With a frequency response from 35 Hz to 22K Hz, it covers deep lows and bright highs, making it ideal for all music genres. One drawback is that some users found the installation a bit convoluted for their specific models, which could be frustrating. But honestly, if you're looking to upgrade from factory speakers, the sound quality will make it worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you want a solid upgrade that can really enhance your listening experience. Skip this one if you need something that fits right out of the box without any adjustments. For the performance, it's a great buy. So there you have it, the Kenwood KFC1666S for budget power, the Pioneer Ts F1634R for balanced sound, the Kenwood KFC1666S again for affordability, the Boss CH6530 for great value, and the Pioneer Ts G1620S for a solid upgrade. Each of these speakers has something unique to offer, so think about what matters most to you before making a choice.